little birds are really hungry since we've had this snow and temperature drop. This is just so entertaining to Mr. Bill and I, watching all these birds. He's so faithful about feeding them all the time. So if you don't feed the birds, do it. Oh, and also, see on the railing out there? That's a bird bath that clamps over the railing to the right. And yes, they do. They come here all the time to that. So I don't know that we probably won't feed them on the deck when it gets warm weather. But this gets close up for us right out our kitchen window. That's what I'm shooting this video from. Remember I had that video on the tomato cage? Well, it's really working. They love it. We had that seed wreath out there, which was so pretty. They're finishing it off, the birds are. And what happened is we had a rain and it caused the wreath to fall apart. So seed wreaths should actually come in when it starts raining outside. But we get a big variety of birds out here. Plus that feeder that you see out a little farther, but this is right on our deck. But see, I put the tomato cage right inside of a pot that I had. And you can it's one of those square tomato cages. You can hang everything right on there. Okay, bye-bye. These are, it's a flicker that's on that suet, like also a red-headed woodpecker. All the other birds, most of them look like they left when the big guys came in. Some of the smaller ones are coming. That's a Carolina wren. There's a little titmouse. Okay, this is from the kitchen window. Earlier there was, my husband said there's maybe 30, 40 birds out here. This is Crossville, Tennessee. Our first significant snow this year. We don't get that much. We do get a big variety of birds out here. This is on our deck. And my little dog is in the background crying for her bone because she just went out in the snow. And hope you're all having a beautiful day today. God bless all of you. Bye-bye now.